Hello and welcome to Light of Aurora. I am Aurora. So today we're going to be doing some polygel nails with two foams. Two foams? Yeah. And my brush. So these are the things that I will be using. Today I actually made a big mistake. I didn't record when I did the prep, so in my prep I push back the cuticles, scratch up the nails, apply base coat. That's it. Anyway, these are the forms for my client, actually sister. Guinea pig. So if you don't know what my channel is about, I do nails as a beginner from the beginning. If you are interested in watching me, please go ahead and watch, I think. Please don't forget to like, comment or subscribe. We help each other out here. So first I'm just checking if the dough foam fits a nail. Then I put the polygel in the dough foam and spread it around. That's my dappen dish, and in my dappen dish I have slip solution. So this is me moving around, making sure the dough foam is filled to the length that my client I don't like saying client, my sister actually wants it to be, and it must be filled to the side as well. Okay, now to press on the nail, make sure it doesn't move or flood to the sides of the finger, and that is me just making sure it's not thick underneath and it doesn't flood underneath. It's just smoothing out the bottom part so it's not thick there. And after all that, you cure, double checking if it's fine and straight. Here we go. Next I'm gonna do the pointer finger. I had the nails picked out, but I moved them around. So this is me just double checking that I'm using the right dough foam for the right finger. Just like before, I fill the dough foam with polygel, use my slip solution and brush to move it around to fill out the dough foam. Also, when you can't move the polygel with your brush anymore and it sticks to your brush, that means your brush is dry, and then you have to re-dip your brush into the slip solution so you can move the polygel around again, and so that it doesn't stick. Dang words. Moving everything away before I place it on a finger, because I don't want my polygel to cure and my slip solution to get dry. There we go. What I do with my 2 fingers, I will do with the rest. There we go. All her nails are done. Time to pop off the 2 form. All her nails are done. So the thumb is the length she wanted all her fingers to be. The rest of her fingers to be. Time to shape my nail. Not my nail, her nail. And this is where I remember that I did not remove the sticky layer. So sticky layer needs to be removed. I have hand sanitizer that I sprayed on the fingers and just wiping it off. And I wipe underneath the nail as well. Okay, so now it's time to shape your nail. If you like my video so far, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And these are her nails. Everything has been shaped the way she wanted it. And again, I wipe the dust away with some acetone or hand sanitizer. I don't remember what it was. Okay, so she wanted purple because she liked the color, and so I gave her purple. And I have a little brush that helps me remove the gel I put on her nails, on her skin. I'm also using pink with the 2 middle fingers. A middle finger and a ring finger. the purple. We're gonna do some swooshes. With the purple on the pink. Around the swooshes I made, I will be applying some gold glitter type gel polish. Here we go. Also, the last thing I do is apply top coat, and I seem to never show that in my videos. So today I'm showing it. Top coat on all her nails. Here we go. All her nails are done. Ta-da! You can see the purple better. Bye bye.